Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today meron tayong makeup review and this is all about the KBEAUTY Conceal, Bake, and Brighten Kit. So guys, tapos na ako sa aking base, foundation, and aking eye look and brows. Ngayon magko-concealer na tayo and I will use the KBEAUTY Conceal, Bake, and Brighten Kit. Last month, nagpunta kami dun sa pop-up store ng KBEAUTY sa may LA, sa may Westfield Century Mall. Kung hindi nyo pa napanood yung vlog ko, ililink ko sa aking card ba yun? So, para mapanood nyo. Or maybe I'll include some clips dito sa video na to. And it's a long line. Siyempre, ang dami gusto na pumunta sa loob. Tapos, hindi basta-basta yung mga pinapapasok nila, parang by groups lang, 2, 4, ganun, hindi pwedeng lahat papasok. Kasi maliit lang naman yung yung pop-up store na yon. So, medyo pinagpawisan at medyo nanlimahid kasi nga sa labas yung pila and sobrang init ngayon dito sa San Diego. So, and sa lalo na sa LA, kung mas mainit sa San Diego, mas mainit sa LA, imagine niyo. So dun sa pop-up store, ang mabibili nyo is halos lahat ng kanyang mga beauty products, including yung mga fragrances na nilabas niya. So, yung mga concealer kits, baking powder, contour and highlight kits, cream contour sticks, yung eyeshadow palette nila ni Mario, yung mga cream liquid lipstick niya, yung ultralight beam duos, pati yung KKW and Kylie na creme liquid lipstick nandun din, mga lip liner, tapos yung fragrances niya nilabas. Unfortunately, walang sale dun sa pop-up store and wala ding freebies. Pero meron silang discount dun sa concealer kit. Parang $10 off. So, sa concealer kit na yon meron yung concealer, brush number 1 and brush number 2. So, parang $80 kung bibilihin mo. Pero may less $10. So, $70 ko na lang siya nabili. And then, bumili rin ako ng baking powder and yung brightening powder and isang cream lipstick niya. So, now let's go ahead and test this KBEAUTY Conceal, Bake, and Brighten Kit niya. Actually, I've been using this ever since nabili ko siya. So, right now, I will let you know my thoughts and opinion about these beauty products. So, let's go ahead and start with the concealer. Ganito yung itsura niya. So, this concealer has 4.60 grams. And yung packaging niya is like this. Ganito yung signature color ng KBEAUTY. And let me see or let me check my Kylie cosmetics na concealer kung gaano kadami yun. Hindi ko mahanap yung shade ko for brightening or for concealer, pero I have here what I use to contour my face. So, ang laman nito is, hindi ko makita, besh, wait lang. 6.3 grams. So, di hamak naman na mas madaming laman itong ang KKW. As you can see sa packaging. Ayan. So, kung si Kylie meron siyang silver na packaging, si Kim naman meron siyang parang nude pink na color. So, when it comes to the price, itong KKW concealer is $18, while this Kylie Jenner concealer is $20, which makes sense kasi nga, mas madami laman nito. So, most probably, mas mahal ito. Pero, I only got this, I think on sale. Parang 2 for $30. Yung dalawang concealer. So, bumili ako ng isang pang concealer, yung pang brighten na aking under eye or pang conceal ng pimple. Pero, I also got one for contour. So, itong concealer niya, it has 16 shades. And, ang shade na napili ko is number 4. Walang pangalan. Number lang talaga yung mga shades nung kanyang concealer. So, I will try to swatch it para makita nyo kung anong shade itong number 4. Ayan siya. So, as you can see kanina nung sinwatch ko siya, meron siyang creamy na consistency. And, yeah, wala siyang amoy. Wala siyang specific na scent. So, right now, let's go ahead and put this sa aking under eye. So, I will just put this kung paano ko nilalagay yung mga ibang concealer ko. Ayan, sa aking under eye area. So, let's focus dyan muna sa part na yan. And I will use a damp sponge I have here. The Practic sponge. And I will just press it or blend it. So, this is how it looks like nang na-blend na using a damp sponge sa aking under eye area. And as you can see, hindi siya matte. Diba? Meron siyang konting nagaganap na dewiness sa aking under eye area. Yan. And right now, it doesn't cling sa aking line, sa aking under eye area. But we are going to bake. And we will use this KKW baking powder. This baking powder is also $18 and ang shade na nakuha ko is number 1. And yung packaging niya again is in a plastic, tapos meron din yung KKW na logo and yung signature na color ng KKW Beauty. So, open nyo lang siya is kailangan nyo i-twist. And then, i-open. And ganito yung shade ng number 1. I will just put it closer sa camera para makita nyo. Now, I have here the brush number 1. Tama ba? Number 1 o number 2? Oh, this is the brush number 2. I'm sorry. And this is how it looks like. So, it's a dual-ended brush. Actually, isa is sponge, hindi brush. So, brush yung isa. And this is very soft. Hindi ko ni-expect na ganito siya kalambot and fluffy. Tapos, ito din, yung sponge niya. I'm not sure kung kailangan ko siyang basain. Pero, hindi ko siguro babasain. Kasi sobrang lambot niya eh. Ang cute din ng color, pati yung sponge and yung brush, o yung bristles ng brush is same color ng signature na color ng KKW Beauty. So, mga 5 minutes na yung nakakaraan, pero I don't see any lines or creaseness na ganap sa aking under eye area. Madalang lang naman kasi ako nagkakaroon ng crease or lines dyan sa aking under eye area. Ang problem ko talaga when it comes to lines na nagsisink in yung mga kahit anong makeup, yung aking smile lines and yung aking, ayan, yung wrinkles. Hindi ko alam kung tawag dyan, frown lines. I don't know. Pero yeah, let's go ahead and put this baking powder using this sponge. I'm gonna use the sponge kasi mas maganda yung shape niya. So, ayan. Oh my God. Diba? Coated na coated yung ating brush. And let me get a mirror. And yeah, fast forward ko na lang to para mas mabilis. And let's go ahead. So, ito na siya guys. And, in fairness, brighten up niya kaagad yung aking under eye area. Pero mamaya ko na siya i-dust off. Usually, hindi ako nagbe-bake ng matagal sa aking under eye area. I just don't like the feeling na parang mabigat yung aking under eye area. Pero, kapatuloy ko muna yung aking makeup, magko-contour tayo. Tapos, malalagay din ako ng baking powder sa baba, and blush, and kung ano-ano pa. So, naglagay na ako ng bronzer, pero I want to use this concealer sa aking chin area dahil meron akong breakouts dyan. And I also have some here. So, I guess I will put there and here para pantay. Tsaka mag-bake din kasi tayo dyan mamaya. So, I will just blend it using a sponge. So, this is how it looks like nung nilagyan ko ng concealer. And as you can see, kung meron kayong black, talagang black eh, no? Meron kayong dark pimples or dark spots, hindi ganun kaganda yung coverage niya. So, I would say na itong concealer na to, it's mainly for brightening your under eye area. Not really to cover up your imperfections or your pimple marks or acne marks. So, I'm going to proceed with the baking part. Dito naman tayo maglalagay. So, right now, I'm going to dust off yung aking under eye area kasi nararamdaman ko na parang, alam niyo yun, yung feeling na parang mabigat na yung under eye area mo. So, I will just dust it off. So, habang nagbe-bake naman yung ating jawline, maglalagay tayo ng blush. I have here the Sigma Aura Powder. And ang shade dito is Nymphea. It's a pretty pinkish or corally pinkish na shade. So, let's put this in our cheeks. Ayan. Very pretty ng color niya. There. And then, I will dust this one off. Ayan. So, the feeling on my face, sobrang smooth niya. Ayan, no? Parang ako naglagay ng, I don't know, iba yung feeling niya. Pero it's really smooth right now. Pati yung aking jaw, syempre except sa part na to kasi meron akong pimple dyan. Pero Ang smooth ng feeling. Actually, yung powder itself is very buttery. Nagsayang talaga ako ng pulbos no? Pero, ayan siya. Diba? Sobrang smooth niya. Sobrang smooth. And this is really finely milled na powder. And as you can see, na-brighten up kaagad niya yung aking kamay. Ayan. Perfect. So, I'll just continue with my makeup and then we'll proceed with the brightening powder and then next is yung lipstick. Di ko pa din nasabi kanina guys, pero ang laman nitong baking powder is 3.50 grams while itong Colourpop No Filter powder, meron siyang 8.5 grams. Now, we are going to try this brightening powder and ang shade ko is number 1 and this also retails for $18. And so far, ito yung pinaka-favorite ko sa lahat ng nabili ko from KBEAUTY. You've seen na nag-rave ako dito sa aking mga vlogs pero this is how it looks like. Meron siyang maliit na mirror. Ganon din yung packaging niya, kagaya nung baking powder. Pero ayan yung itsura niya. So, let's go ahead and try this on. It is recommended to use this brush number 1. Pero yun nga, sabi ko dun sa aking vlog, kung napanood nyo na, I'd rather use this aking mata compared sa aking under eye area kasi I don't know, I don't feel comfortable using this aking under eye area. Pero for the sake of this tutorial, I will go ahead and try this one. So let's go ahead and try dito muna sa side na to. Oh my God. I don't know if you can see it right away, pero ako kitang-kita ko siya sa monitor ko. Kitang-kita ko yung pag-brighten ng aking under eye area sa part na ito. Okay, so this is the side na meron. And then ito yung wala. Nakikita nyo ba? Yan o, itong part na to. Oh my God. Diba? Wala siyang amoy, guys, pero I love it. Tignan nyo. Kaya ko siya gusto kasi parang instant brightening effect siya. Parang meron, kung tutuusin, para siyang may highlighter effect eh. Pero, ang ganda lang yung effect niya sa face. Puro effect yung sinasabi ko, no? Pero, ayan. So, I will just go ahead and try on sa kabilang side naman. And I will use a different brush. This is from Sigma Powder Sweep brush. This is F06. So, kung gusto nyo ng 10% discount sa Sigma, don't forget to use my coupon code, FUNFEARLESS10 on your checkout. So, ayan siya guys. O, diba naman? Ang lakas maka-fresh kasi. Tsaka parang buhay na buhay ka, awake na awake ka kapag brighten up yung under eye area mo. Diba nga? Yun yung reason kung bakit tayo naglalagay ng medyo brightening na concealer sa ating under eye para magmukha tayong buhay. So, ngayon, ayan. O, diba? Buhay na buhay. So, ang last na product na ilalagay natin sa ating face from KBEAUTY is yung kanyang cream or creme lipstick. Ang shade na nakuha ko is number 5, Nude. And yung packaging na is ganun din, plastic. Tapos yung mismong sa loob is yung shade or yung signature shade ng KBEAUTY. And then, ito yung shade na napili ko. I will swatch it sa aking kamay. Ayan. O, diba? Mamaya man ako mahilig sa mga ganyang nude. So, I will just put this on. So, ayan siya guys. As you can see, di siya matte. Meron siyang sheen na ganap. And I like it. Ewan ko, parang ang ganda niya. Pag kasi dating sa mga lipstick, hindi ako fan ng mga matte na lipstick kasi may tendency talaga na mag-cling siya sa mga linya-linya ng aking lips. Pero this one, hindi. And I love yung dewy effect niya. I love na hindi siya matte. Yun nga lang, yung lasa niya is, alam niyo yung typical lasa ng mga lipstick? Yun, ganun yung lasa niya na nalalasahan ko na. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Siguro nadilaan ko. Pero, yeah, I love how it looks like. Again, this is number 5, Nude. And ang aking verdict sa mga KBEAUTY products na natry ko ngayon, ang number 1 favorite ko talaga is itong brightening powder niya. Honestly, I've never tried a brightening powder before. Tama ba? Hindi ko alam. I'm not sure. Pero, oh my God, I was blown away. Talagang sobrang nagulat ako yung effect niya na nabibigay sa aking under eye area. I so love it. So, I highly recommend this. It's $18, pero this will last, ewan ko, a lifetime. 'Di ba? Sobrang tatagal ito sa inyo. Kasi hindi naman hindi naman ito ilalagay sa buong mukha nyo, 'di ba? Sa under eye area lang. Or, I will also suggest to try putting it on sa inyong nose bridge. Kasi sobrang lakas din niya kasing makatangos ng ilong. At saka maka-highlight. So, may ganun siyang effect. So, yeah, for $18, it's not bad. The packaging is nice. And then, meron din kasamang mirror. And then, ang next favorite ko naman is, of course, the lippies. I'm not really into using lipstick products. I prefer liquid lipstick. Pero ito, napakadali niyang gamitin. Hindi ako nahirapan unlike any other lipstick na natry ko. Kasi very creamy siya. And it easily glides on sa aking lips. Kahit na meron akong dry lips, it doesn't emphasize the lines. And I love na hindi siya matte. Kasi ang lakas maka-fresh. Hindi ko alam kung ako lang. Pero ang hindi ko nagustuhan dito is yun nga, yung lasa niya or yung amoy niya. Next is the concealer, and I love this concealer kasi it has dewy finish and it gives me very hydrating look sa aking under eye area. It doesn't dry out my under eye area, which I love. Hindi kagaya ng mga matte concealers na natry ko before na parang ang dry yung feeling sa aking under eye area kasi may tendency na kapag dry yung pakiramdam niya is nagkikrease na siya tsaka sobrang dry. Pero ito, it doesn't give me that feeling kaya sobrang love ko siya. Yun nga lang, for $18, parang ang mahal niya, diba? Next is the baking powder, and again, it retails for $18. Again, yung price niya is, of course, nandun sa pricier side, and I'm sure marami pang ibang baking products out there in the market na mabibili nyo for a cheaper price. Pero, ang effect lang talaga siguro na nagustuhan ko dito is sobrang smooth na pakiramdam niya sa under eye area. Hindi dry yung feeling niya compared dito sa ColourPop. I've tried this a couple of times. Yung ColourPop, I love how it brightens up my under eye, pero it gives me that dry feeling na alam mong mabigat yung under eye area mo. So, yeah, yun lang. Kung hindi naman kayo dry skin, I think you can go ahead and try this one. Yun nga lang, sobrang pricey siya. Pero, kung meron naman kayong normal and oily skin, you can just try the ColourPop one. Kasi alam ko, I've said it sa aking vlog channel na it kinda looks similar, yung powder nila. I will show you. Ng ColourPop. Siguro kasi same shade yung nabili ko. Ayan. I don't know if you can see, pero same lang, 'di ba? Yung shade na napili ko. Itong ColourPop is translucent and then itong baking powder is number 1. Pero pag finil mo sila, ayan, mas smooth talaga yung KKW. Tapos itong ColourPop, parang alam niyo yung feeling na parang humawak ka ng cornstarch. I'm not saying na it's a negative side, pero you will feel it pag nilagay nyo sa under eye area nyo, mas smooth talaga yung feeling nitong KKW compared dito sa ColourPop. And last but not the least is yung mga brushes niya. So, ako honestly, pwede na kayong mag-pass dito sa mga brushes niya kasi I don't really find it na useful. Ito siguro, yeah, I will use this for my eye makeup pero not sa aking face. And then this one, ang gusto ko lang dito is ito. I love na meron siyang hawakan tapos mas madaling gamitin to bake your under eye area. Pero to use this as foundation, I don't think I will use this one. And itong side naman na to, it's very comfortable sa yung mukha. Pero for $18, di ba? Makakabili ka na ng isang set ng ganun sa Morphe. So, this is it for my review and try on the Conceal, Bake, and Brighthen kit of KKW Beauty. Kung meron kayong comments, requests, or questions, comment down below. Doon sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, mag-subscribe na kayo guys. And also, hit the bell button para ma-notify kayo every time na meron akong uploads. Thank you for watching guys, and I'll see you on my next video.